You know how she just
I got my head.
She slid off by sitting like this. She slid right off. Just run that down in a little rack.
Yeah, it took us a minute to figure out what happened to her.
I couldn't either, and I looked and I saw that little red spot on
Let's
her
see
back.
what's going on.
I thought she got bit by a bug.
It hurt pretty good because she didn't cry. She doesn't easily cry over a little bump. Yeah, oh, you are proud of yourself now, aren't you? Yes, sir. You are so proud of yourself.
Daddy, can we lose this again?
Sure.
Okay. We better get it out of there.
Y'all better get out of there so you can get it out. Don't you wish you could have fun just doing stuff like that? Actually, I wish I could just do that. It's fun or not.
I think she may be stuck up here.